Well, I regret to say that I think President Trump was ill-informed about what is happening in South Africa. And I think if he had taken time to get better information from us, he would have been much better informed, and his comments would have...
Well, let's stay with issues around property. Residents of Mdantsane outside East London in the Eastern Cape have taken matters into their own hands, occupying land near Claymont Farm and dividing plots among themselves to transform the area into a peri-urban settlement. The community...
South African Prepper here. Well, Mr. President. So the Trump administration is not informed of what's going on. Now here's the irony, is that they know exactly what is going on, and ironically enough is that this is exactly the same pathway that Zimbabwe followed. So what happened was, in Zimbabwe, as soon as they declared it to be lawful to expropriate land, like in South Africa, it is now within the constitution that you can expropriate land. The lower level officials in Zimbabwe started going to white properties and they started confiscating land. And in this specific clip in the Eastern Cape, it is lower ranked officials of the ANC that is assisting local residents to take more land for themselves. This is South African Prepper. Don't be like Cyril Ramaphosa, be informed.